Alright, I'm done. I'm just kinda almost there.
My bad, my bad.
No, you're fine. But my lord is.
Are your lords almost back to your capital?
Yay!
Segment?
He will be.
Are you gonna give him a full army?
You'll see what ridiculous army I gave him.
Oh, that's fine.
We're gonna offer him the Cub Sock, Skeldus.
Oh, that is fucking horrifying. I don't like that at all. What is happening?
The dried one.
Why does this dude just have a bunch of birds in his army?
I don't know if I should do this. Fuck.
No. Just destroy the Infernal Guard. Actually, it'd be a waste of time.
Alright.
Yeah, just get rid of the Infernal Guard.
Fuck. I don't want to sacrifice this raw material.
Then throw more bodies into it. Just throw more bodies at the problem. Simple solution. What the game's telling you.
Nope, I can't lose the control.
Ooh, money.
I can't lose the control.
Time.
Can I make peace with this guy?
Attack.
Shit, well, I just gotta hope that I can defend this settlement, I guess.
Jack me in trophy.
Alright, I just killed Village.
Any
just
confederators and shit?
Doomleth.
I gotta go get his last place now.
How am I in debt? Oh, because I'm being raided. I was like, I'm a beast man. I shouldn't be in debt. Like, that's not how that works.
Marink.
You're at war with, I'm gonna attack his gate.
No, 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 no. No, let me get that next turn.
Well, I'm right here.
Kind of sad that I had to do this, but...
But, the last Cathay are just to the right past the gate, so... After we take this, you should go finish them off.
Alright.
Yeah, you should go finish them off.
Jerkbait style.
Yeah, you know what you're talking about.
Any small fish with the shrimp. You could do platies. You could do the dino zebras. Koi catfish.
I'll give you the gate, by the way, after I destroy it. Or after I take it. I just need to try to see if it'll let me confederate him. Well, I don't know if it will, because he won't have anything left. Yeah, probably won't. Join war.
Well, confederating isn't the same as vassalizing.
Well, what about the Koi catfish?
Oh, yeah, that's true. Guess it does work a little different.
fucking tree man is trying to.
Oh,
do
he
something
just
to me.
built another place, actually.
What do I want him?
Alright, yeah,
huts.
Cloud. Just grab that gate. Just grab that gate. Because I gotta stop him from working on this other base.
I'm not calling my allies, or am I calling them?
You're gonna ruin your relations because you have treaties with him.
Fuck them.
No, cancel the treaties first.
Don't fuck him.
Cancel
don't fuck your
the treaties
relations.
first.
Relations
If you are
equal
gonna
good.
fuck him. Yeah, if you are gonna fuck him, cancel the treaties first. Because
But you gotta wait 4 turns for that.
yeah, exactly. So I mean, yeah, it's up to you. I mean,
Yeah, the other
your relations will probably be able to handle it. Your relations should be fine. You
So
have
just
very high
attack
right
them?
now. Yeah, you can go ahead and attack them.
Just give them the dicking they deserve.
And don't invite anyone when you attack
I mean,
them.
you can invite people. You can
Well,
invite
yeah,
me.
to be
Anyway,
finished anyways, but yeah.
Alright, fine.
Why so silent?
It's not like I'm anywhere near you two, so it's not really gonna be bothering me. And it's not like he's gonna be able to kill me anyway. I have so many quest battles I gotta go do.
Makazia Faumansi.
Oh, he's got an 18 stack army in this place.
Decisive
it's-
victory, medium casualties.
Neon Tetras would be fine, Cerberus. They're not very violent.
Finally get to see what's going on over here. I need to go take down this tree. With these 2 armies, I'll probably go over this way and take out the tree while Mogul and Malak will deal with that.
Okay. The ogres. Greasus Goldtooth is declaring war on me.
Oh,